In today's video, I will walk you through how to add linear regression channel in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main tools are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicator menu. In this menu, select Add Indicator. This will open a list of available indicators that you can add to your chart. Next, scroll through the list of indicators or use the search box to quickly find the linear regression channel. Take your time to locate it so you can select the correct option. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. After selecting it, the linear regression channel will be applied directly onto your chart automatically. Now move to the chart area and confirm that the channel has been added. You should see it displayed over your price movement as part of the chart layout. From here, you can proceed to adjust how it appears. Look for the settings option related to the indicator. Click on Settings to open the customization panel. Inside the Settings menu, you will see different options that allow you to adjust how the linear regression channel is displayed. Make the changes you need directly within this Settings panel. Once you are done adjusting the settings, the changes will automatically apply to your chart. The indicator will remain active and visible as you continue working within Robinhood Legend. If you need to make further adjustments later, you can return to the same indicators area and reopen the settings at any time.